Let your mind drift into the dramatic heights of the Rhodope Mountains. Painted in 1943 by Vasil Barakov, one of Bulgaria's most influential masters of landscape, this powerful artwork carries the name Chepelare. Barakov was a pioneer of the New Artists movement, a group that reshaped Balkan modernism by breaking away from classical rules and embracing raw emotion. Look closely at his signature style, the heavy sculptural brushstrokes, the deep, earthy tones, the way the houses and hills feel carved directly out of stone. This canvas is more than a landscape. It's a fragment of memory, a quiet echo of European mountain life, raw, melancholic, and deeply poetic. Subscribe to ZoomArt for your daily art escapes and just feel the canvas.